how to install iArtbook digital painting app. So just tap get to install it, have double click to install it, and then create, draw, paint, animate. Here you can, this is professional painting app based on unlimited layers with blend modes and masks. Any brush can be used with your professional level real-time technologies of calligraphy, line delay, rope stabilization, and correction. Combine it for best results. With 100% calligraphy, the line will be very smooth even if you're drawing with a finger. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you need to wait here and then select new art size. And then you can see some of the brushes which are like all, or you can have all types of those. You can just zoom in. You can change, and then you can change the opacity. So yeah, it's kind of like a very advanced app, and you can do really amazing stuff just on your phone. So yeah, it's quite cool. And then yeah, you can do some really amazing paintings here and layers, and yeah, so if you want, you can also upgrade to Pro. Just buy it for $5. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so interesting app. You can also do it like, you know, full screen. It's also quite relaxing. And yeah, so try it out. That's what it is. And yeah, hope you enjoy it.